For $79, is the Ryobi Ratchet worth it? The Ryobi Ratchet has 35 foot-pounds of torque while also being able to be a hand ratchet if the battery gives out. And on battery power, it does 230 RPMs, and it also has these two really bright LED lights on the head. And on the head, it has something that all the other competition don't have, and that's in a swivel head here. It can adjust 360 degrees with 4 locking points. So, for the test today, we have 5 lag bolts to go through, we have 1 giant nut to go through, and a lug nut to take off. So let's see how this thing performs. So the first test we have here is a 6-inch 3/16 lag bolt. Let's see how this thing performs. Oh, it did the job. At first it struggled a little, but it ended up achieving the goal there. So let's move to the next test, a little bit bigger of a bolt. Now we got a 5-inch, 1/4-inch lag bolt. Let's see how it performs. So as you can see, still not an issue for it. It was able to bring that thing all the way into the wood, all 5 inches of. All right, now we got a 8-inch lag bolt, 1/4-inch still. Let's see how it does with this. So not a problem at all. As you can see, that 8-inch lag bolt's all the way in that wood, and this is redwood here, so it's pretty solid wood. Got a 2-inch 1/2-inch lag bolt here. This is a big boy, so let's see how it does. That's pretty damn in there, and this did a great job there. All right, I'm going to do a bolt test here. This is a 19mm bolt. Let's see how tight it can get. Okay. So I got that thing tight in all the way it can. But let's see how this hand action works here. Yep. So that's a pretty damn good ratchet action there. Definitely passes the hand ratchet action here. The next test, I'm going to see if this thing really has 35 foot-pounds of torque force, because this bolt here, I torqued it to 35 foot-pounds of torque, so let's see how it does. Alright, so it won't do 35 foot-pounds of torque. Let's see if it can hand ratchet it off. So I hand ratcheted it. Now I have the bolt torqued to 30 foot-pounds. Let's see if this thing can get 30 foot-pounds off. Nope. Hand ratchet. Yep. Alright, so 30 foot-pounds is not working. Alright, let's see if it can do 27 foot-pounds. Nope. Alright, now it's torqued to 25 foot-pounds. Let's see if it can take off 25 foot-pounds. Alright, so it took 25 foot-pounds off. Besides it only being able to break a 25 foot-pound torque bolt, it's a very good tool for the money. And if you have any questions, put it down in the comments. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel for more.